And it's actually a lot sturdier. It's way sturdier. So this thing, okay, well, maybe not way sturdier, but it's sturdier. Hey, it's Allison from Mom with a Minute. Today I'm going to be trying to make an outdoor toy car garage out of a wooden pallet. Now, I don't usually use power tools, so this is going to be for all of my other moms out there who aren't used to using power tools. This is a tutorial for you because I don't either. So I have no clue what I'm doing, and we're going to learn this together. My son is going to help me a little bit because this is for his toy truck garage. They're all over the yard, all over everywhere. So we figured it was time that they have their own spot to live in. This is what I dug out of the barn. I'm just really just digging any piece of wood I can find. I am digging out, seeing what I can do with it. I tried looking some stuff up for ideas on how to make this toy car garage, toy truck garage, and there's not much out there. So I'm just gonna kind of wing it and see how it turns out. My tentative plan for this is to cut across the middle so that I can have one side be the floor, and then maybe screw some stuff on the sides and then use the second one as like a top layer. He really wants different levels for his garage. How's that water feel?
Cold.
Cold.
Don't touch it, hey? Touch it, Mom.
Ooh, that's a little chilly. I've never really used power tools before. I found this saw, which is going to make it a lot faster than like hand sawing this. And I'm determined to know how to use power tools because it'd be nice to get a lot more things done by myself. It's a little intimidating. You can help too? Then, oh, after I do the saw? That'd be great. I'm definitely going to need your help. Thank you. All right, let's test this out, see how it feels. Hey, I did it. I did it. It shook all my arms. It is louder than I thought. Holy smokes. But it's the first time I've used that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these. Let's pause. Let's get some earplugs. The kids I found easy. Cannot find men anywhere. My husband misplaced them. And he's a welder, so he has ear protection all the time that I pull out of his pockets all the time doing laundry. Find them all over the house and can't find any today. But that's the way it goes, right? So just, oh gosh, there's a wasp. Just gonna use earbuds and go fast, and it's one time. I'm not gonna go deaf from one time. Eye protection. Forgot about that. Here we go. Look at us. Look at us doing this. Okay, take, I don't know. I definitely wouldn't say that's my favorite thing to do, but I did it. I can still feel it in my arms. Holy moly. It's like, you're driving the tractor. These are all cut. So I think if we flip it over and we cut the other one so that it's in half, it is a little bit painted, you're right. We need to cut these, I think just these, and then I can take it apart. Okay, so that is split in half, and honestly, guys, I was really nervous to use that, but now after using it, I was just cutting straight. It's not like I was trying to go in a circle or anything. Now I know I can do it, and it's not as scary as I thought it was going to be. It definitely shakes your body. I'm learning as I go. I'm learning every time so that I'll be able to do more of these projects by myself. You can make anything. I believe it, dude. I believe it. My daughter was planting flowers with her grandmother, but she's back now, so they're playing in the pool. So I'm thinking this is the good base, and then he wanted it to be 2 levels. So my idea is to take these 4 off of this side, put them up on the edges, and then this will sit on top for the second level. So let's try to find my goods on. Okay. Let's try to find a way to get these off. I don't know if I can just like. So I just kind of am wiggling it to loosen it. Get it enough. Hey, you're splashing me. Then I can get the hammer under it to pull it out. There we go. This will go up like this. Let's start by getting these nails out of here. That's easy. So if you've never pounded nails out before, just I put it in between these so that in between these little slats. So as a place to go down, I'm going to hammer through, flip it over, and then use my hammer to then pull these up. So now my plan is to use these boards that I took off as the supports for the second level. Okay, got our toolkit here. So I have some screws here to take something out. My husband had this in here. You have to pull this piece out. Okay. Okay, it started. Yes. Man, Dad make this look so easy. He's done this stuff a lot though, huh?
Yeah, he's a
We're gonna have to break for lunch and nap because it's actually taking way longer than I thought it was going to, because I'm not great at using power tools yet. The more I do it, the better I'll get, right?
Yes.
Right. All right, guys, just finishing up lunch and the kids are all up at nap time now. So I'm having my dark chocolate treat, as you should be having a treat as well if you're a mom. I'm gonna head back out, try to finish up this garage, quote unquote garage, while the kids are napping. But a couple quick thoughts so far is that it is taking me a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. It's slowing me down because I'm learning for the first time, but if you know how to use power tools, you could crank out this in like no time. And if you don't, this is a good project to learn on because it's just an old pallet. So I feel like I'm not super concerned if it goes bad and we have to scrap it all. It would be fine. But I would give yourself, a couple hours for this project because it is taking a little bit longer than I thought. It's going to be nice to have a place to put my son's trucks when it's done, and I'm excited to see what it comes out as. Okay, we also have this turkey that keeps coming in our yard. And he chased our dog. So we have a German Shepherd mix. So he's 60, 70 pounds. And this turkey followed our dog to chase him away. And then my husband ran at the turkey, yelled at the turkey. And it just kind of wandered off, it didn't even do anything. So I can hear him. I can hear this turkey behind me. And now I'm gonna be watching my back while I'm working on this. Back to what I was doing. I got these 4 posts on, so I'm gonna see if the top's gonna fit now. Just like that. That does not look so bad. Okay, go away, Wasp. My goodness, the animals are against me today. For my first time really using power tools, this is not looking bad. I'm pretty impressed with it. So I'm just gonna screw down. Now that should be easy because I'm going straight down. Screw down that. I am a little bit, actually maybe I should put another board across that. Go away, turkey. I swear, you guys, he's like taunting me. Okay, so now I'm just going to screw down into from the top to these guys. It's a little loose, let's be real. She's a little wobbly. Screws down from the top into these boards, and it's actually a lot sturdier. It's way sturdier. So this thing, okay, well, maybe not way sturdier, but it's sturdier, and it's holding plastic trucks. I think it's fine. It's a little bit tilted because we're on a little bit of a slope here. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna stick a board under. There we go. Just like that. Look at that. It is so cute. And I built it all by myself, and I'm so proud of that. Used pretty much only one pallet, except I did use a scrap piece of wood to support the back. But if you wanted to, you probably could take off like the bottom ones down there that I didn't cut and piece those together to use support if you wanted to only use one pallet. Basically one pallet and one scrap piece of wood, a screw gun and screws, a saw, and that's it. And you can make your own nice little truck garage here. If you have projects that you want to do and your husband doesn't have time to do them, this is your sign to pick up the power tool and to do it. Because you can do it. And the more you do it, the better you're going to get. Because this took me a while, but the next time it'll take me a shorter amount of time because now I've already done something like this. And it'll give him a place to put his trucks so that they're not everywhere. And it's kind of fun. It's like a fun parking spot. If you're looking for more inspiration, more real mom life, I'm mostly a beginner at all of this kind of stuff, and you want some camaraderie in that, subscribe now so that you can grow alongside me as we do more projects, more DIY, more painting, more baking. I hope you had a productive or a restful nap today, whatever you were looking for out of your nap time today, or bedtime, or whenever you're watching this. I hope you had what you were looking for, and I hope you had some inspiration, extra inspiration for today. I will see you next time.